Oh! Hey folks, CB here. Welcome to the channel. Are you tired of shooting them paper targets like I am? Today we're making some metal targets. That's right, metal targets out of scrap metal that we have found, I don't know, side of the road or somewhere. I just be finding shit sometimes, you know what I mean? But I am tired of shooting paper targets. So we're gonna make our own. You don't have to go out and buy them. You can make your own. All you need is something to cut with. I'm using this side grinder, that's all I got. Cutting wheel, 1/4 inch drill bit, and 2, I call them dog chains. See, I just found them somewhere. You can buy this stuff, but you don't have to. You could find it somewhere around the dump, somewhere. But this, I call them dog chains. That's all you need. And you can make one fine target that will last shot after shot after shot. So y'all stay with me and let's finish it. All right, I've already measured this out. I want a 2-inch target, and this part here will be the part that we'll actually be shooting. Now we'll cut it right here and cut it right here and then cut it off right here, because when we get to that part, we'll drill a hole here and drill a hole here, and that's where you'll hook your chains to hang it on something, whatever you're going to hang it on, to where you can shoot it. So we'll cut this, and then cut it off and drill the holes. Now folks, I cannot stress this enough. Make sure you have something covering your eyes. As you can see, I got 2. I got my glasses and the shield. You got to have a shield of some sort when you're cutting this metal. Please have a shield. All right, and one more thing. These, I think what I'm gonna do, go ahead and drill that hole while I got this clamp ain't the best. While I got that right there, 1/4 inch drill bit. Probably could do with another drill bit, a smaller one, for a pilot. Drill you a pilot hole. But just be careful, because that is metal you're cutting with whatever tool you're using to cut it. And make sure you got gloves. Gloves are handy too. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take and drill right in the center of that line about right there. You have to hold it. And this is 1/4 inch metal now. It's mighty thick. You don't really want no thin metal to ricochet. And this is absolutely, and I say this, absolutely no BBs. Pellets only. You never want to shoot metal or any hard surface with BBs. And see how long that took. Now, if we'd have had another drill bit to drill what we call a pilot hole, Would have been easier, but might find one around here somewhere. This here setup ain't the best. I need a vise. I don't know why I do not have a vise. Never have on a vise. All this stuff, projects that we do, never had a vise. Cannot believe that. I think we're gonna have to get one. Anybody got any recommendations? Put it in the comments. Good vise. All right, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna cut this whole piece off. Since we already got our holes for our chains, just cut that whole piece off. Be careful, make sure your shield's down. Cut further we can go. Go to the other side. Blade's getting dull. Blade's getting dull. Now folks, when you're cutting this, if you're using some kind of side grinder or something that throws in sparks everywhere, make sure you don't have somewhere that is going to catch fire. Do it somewhere where there's nothing around, because that side grinder, as you can see, throws some sparks. Now, that ain't perfect, because I ain't perfect, but that right there, they make those little sticky targets you can also put right there on that 2-inch block. Now, you can take and sand it down and all that there, but I don't see no point. It's gonna be out in the weather on my range. So now, we got 1/4 inch by 20 by 1/2 inch carriage bolts. I'm gonna have to take these gloves off for this one. And what we'll do, if your chain, that's what we'll do. We got one piece of chain here. Like I said, you can buy this, but I found this. I call it a dog chain. But they normally come, if you buy like those metal gates, they normally come on there. Or a lot of people use them for a dog chain. But what we can do is we don't need a real long chain. I'm gonna cut this off even right there if I can. We'll use these. I'm gonna use these vice grips so I don't cut my finger off with this little chain link. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. These are gonna be so much fun. I'll try it there. Now, if you're not comfortable around power tools or cutting stuff like this, have somebody do it. Pay somebody to do it, or get a buddy or something. Don't get hurt, because you can really get hurt bad with this very easy if you're not familiar. There are better ways to cut this, trust me. I just don't have it. All right, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut this chain in half. Just cut that length off where I can get the chain out. And the good thing about these is that's a lot easier than cutting that 1/4 inch metal. And this is why we use this, what I call dog chains, because there's 2 reasons. And I am about to show you. Let me take that off right now. Do take that, make sure they ain't hot, that end you just cut. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take a 1/4 inch, make sure that ain't hot where you just cut it. It's a little tad warm, not too bad. Put that in there like that. You're gonna need a washer, flat washer. Put your chain length on the back. It's right here. Put your flat washer there. And you can, if you can put a lock washer, because this is gonna last you a long time. Take and snug it down right quick here. All right, that's the first one. First chain. All right, let's get another one here. Get another bolt nut, flat washer. Nope. Don't have another lock washer. Well, that's okay. We'll have to do without, I guess. We can always get one eventually. Put that bolt in there. And over here. Put your nuts in here. That is, I think that's a 7/16. Let me find a screwdriver here. Should have had one. Tighten it up a little bit. Here we go. All right, what we'll do, let's take the vice grips we got here. On the back here of that nut. I think these are 7/16 nuts, but I ain't got one handy right now. Mash it down. Take you. Tighten it up. That's all you got. Nothing to it. Now I'm gonna show you one. I'm gonna tighten the other one, but let me show you this right here. Ooh, that's a little warm. Now you see that chain length. I'll show you different. All right, that one's going straight up. You see how that one's going straight up? And this one's going off to the side a little bit. That's what you want. We tighten this down, we want to go off to the side, and you'll see why that matters when we hook it up to where we're going to shoot. Tighten her down. Flathead screwdriver. Got the vice grip. I think that is a 7/16 nut, but vice grip work. Tighten her down real good. Ooh, it's hot today. Folks, try to cut your lengths about the same size. There you go. We've made us a metal target strictly for pellets. No BBs. You don't never want to shoot a BB on no hard surface. Ricochet, no telling what happened. Strictly pellet. See, pull that one, tighten that up a little bit more. All right, we're gonna go out to the range and we're gonna mount this on the target stand and we'll show you how it is. So y'all come on. All right, folks, we're out here at the pellet range. Out here at my target stand I made. Keep watching, keep looking for this, because I'm gonna make a video on how to make these target stands. These are awesome. You got wheels on it where you can move it. Now all we do is put a couple of screws in there. And what you want to do, see, you want to make sure, get your target, your metal target there. Just make sure it's kind of level and all. Take your chains, move it over. You want a little bit of slant to your chains. You don't want them straight up. And the reason for that is, screw them in there, is, see, like I said earlier, I don't know if you heard me on that one earlier, why we like to use this chain. Because when you shoot it, this smaller length chain, it turns around and it comes right back to where it was. Now those bigger chains, the bigger lengths, they won't do it like that. But these here, it's got the smaller lengths. When you shoot it, they'll turn right back around and the target, the face of the target will be flat. All right, we're gonna get back over there at the bench and we're gonna throw some lead down here. Come on. Yeah. All right, I got my JTS Airgun Max right here, 25 cal. Now, like I said, that ain't but 35 yards down there, and that's a chip shot for this gun right here. Y'all, if y'all made it this far, go ahead and like it, subscribe, share it. I sure appreciate it, because making these metal targets fun as they are to shoot, we're gonna have to get a lot of pellets. I can see that right now, a lot of pellets. So I'm gonna get this loaded up, kick back here, and we're gonna shoot that target. My JTS Airgun Max 25. We're gonna shoot this target we just made. Let's see. Oh, oh man, now look at that target. Now that's much funner than shooting paper right there. Oh, see it's swinging. Let me see if I can get it again. Oh, see that second shot stopped it. Man, I'm gonna shoot it again. Oh man. Oh, well, I mean, that ain't but 35 yards. And for this JTS, that's a chip shot. This thing is so accurate. Now keep watching. I'm gonna review this rifle. It's coming soon. Ooh, look at there. Man, this right here, boy, you could use some pellets on this right here now. Great day. All right, let's swing. Let's see if I can stop it. Ooh, I shot over. Golly. Try it one more time. One more time. One more time. Ooh, one more. One more. All right, let's see here now. Let's see. Well, I pulled that one. All right, let's see. Ooh, man, that is so much fun right there. So much fun. Now, y'all, we probably ain't got but $5 in that target maybe, because I found the metal, found that chain. I had to buy out a drill bit and the bolts, which I had the bolts, but I had to buy it one time, so about $5, $6. And that target right there will last for ages and ages. Many a pellet be shot at that target right there. But and not only we made it so we get the satisfaction of that, but that target is so much fun to shoot. But it's not only at 35 yards. I mean, that's a chip shot for this gun right here, but that's a lot of fun. We'll move it out there to 100 and shoot it there. But like I said, $5, $6. I mean, it takes a little work to do it now. You know, you got to be careful when you do it. No BBs. No BBs. And I can't stress that enough. No BBs. Never shoot no hard surface with BB. But it's a lot of fun. Just be careful. Know your backstop. But I'm glad y'all joined me today. So check out this video right here. It's a good one. Until next time, see ya.